Hi guys! So being a mom means that you no longer have time for just yourself. Sebastian's at that age right now where he just wants to be near me all the time, so sometimes it can get really hard to get ready in the morning, even if dad is around. So I want to show you guys a few key basics that I've been using to get my makeup done, to look decent, to get out of the house, to do my hair, my makeup, and how I can take it from daytime to nighttime super easy. So I'm going to show you guys all the things that I use. So I'm going to start with foundation. Of course, you can use any foundation. I'm going to use my go-to Chanel Velvet one. And I use my fingers to blend this one in. But any foundation will do. Next up, concealer. I'm going to be using my NARS Creamy Radiant one. I feel like, honestly, lately I've had some dark circles under my eyes. We have a really great DIY you guys can actually make for that. But this is the only thing that's helping cover my dark circles, as the dark circle mom thing that's like happening to me. I don't know what's going on. But any concealer will do. So use your favorite concealer. And don't forget to bake under your eyes so that your concealer doesn't crease and it stays in place all day. Sometimes I feel like the hardest thing to do in the morning is my eyeshadow, and that's why I'm so obsessed with what I'm going to tell you guys about. It's the Lid Lingerie by NYX. During the daytime, I'll use Sweet Cloud. It has a little bit of like a rose gold tone to it. What I like about it is that I don't even have to use a primer. I can use my finger, and it just gives me this like subtle, really pretty goldish color on my lids. How pretty that is. And it stays in place all day, and if I need to go out at night, I can just add to it, and it's just such a pretty quick eyeshadow color. How pretty is that? I'm obsessed with this. I'm gonna quickly do my eyebrows, and I'm gonna use an eyebrow gel to keep my eyebrows in place all day long. And you don't have to use any of the specific products I'm using. I'm just telling you that the products I've been using to kind of make my life easier. Since I'm going for a daytime look, I'm not going to go into any crazy type of contouring. I'm just going to use a big powder brush, and I'm just going to add a little bit of bronzer on my face. Just to give like a very subtle contour look. Very subtle. Because this is my daytime look. My blush. I'm gonna put some mascara on. I like recently rediscovered how amazing the Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara is. So it's my new jam. I feel like I've perfected this entire makeup look in the time it takes Sebastian to listen to the Alphabet Song by Sesame Street. I've like literally timed it out. So I have just enough time to get this done before he's like, hey mom. For daytime, I'm going to be using Bear With Me by Dose of Colors. It's a really pretty pink color. It's a liquid lipstick, so it's not going to come off easily. So now that my daytime makeup is done, I'm going to quickly do my hair. And the easiest way to do it, honestly, I'm just going to slick it back. I'm going to be adding a little bit of hairspray, and I'm going to slick it back into a low ponytail or a low bun. And you can see I'm literally just twisting as I go, and I'm turning it into a very simple, chic, low bun. And I hairsprayed these down so there isn't going to be any flyaways, and I feel like I look presentable and I'm ready to leave the house for daytime. So if it's nighttime and I want to go out, I want to do a date night, I want to do a girls' night, I don't have to do my makeup all over again. What I'm going to do is take a little bit of powder, and I've been really into the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish. Nora introduced me to this, and I'm just going to refresh my face with a little bit of powder. And I'm gonna take my look from daytime to nighttime with a little bit of black eyeliner, and I'm gonna do a darker lip so my entire look looks different. And if you don't want to wear eyeliner, you can darken up your eyeshadow color too. I know some people don't like eyeliner. I'm gonna do a quick, simple cat eye and add a little bit of eyeshadow underneath my eye. And you can work with any color you like. I'm actually gonna keep my hair the same because I feel like the slick look works for daytime and nighttime. Another helpful thing I found is having a ponytail that I can add on to. I like to wear a dark lip at night. I feel like it completely transforms my whole look. One of my all-time favorite colors is the Galactic Matte Lip Paint in Luxe. I get asked about this color all the time. And now I am ready to go out at night. How easy was this makeup tutorial, you guys? I took a super simple daytime look and I turned it into a nighttime look that can basically work for any occasion. Hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you have any other suggestions for videos, please make sure to leave them below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you guys next time.